Okay, continuing on in my tutorials using AutoCAD 2011. What I'm going to do now is just finish up putting in my doors and windows here. As you can see, I got a couple of them here. Let me make this a little bit bigger. I got a couple of them here. There's an exterior door, interior. There's some windows down here. And there's some windows up in this area. Now, I can continue to insert blocks and so forth by using my ribbon, going up here to insert block, going through the process of inserting the block, picking it out, making sure it's on the right layer, and so forth. I'm really not going to do all that. Just for a shortcut, I'm going to go off of our dimensions here. As you can see, we have an exterior door here that is 2 foot 4 inches. We're going to have to follow this middle line right there off of the bottom half of that stud wall, not of the brick here. There's a stud wall here, so from right there to the center is 2 foot 4. So I'm going to take this line right here. I'm going to offset it. We can go up here to our modify, up here in our ribbon, click our offset, or a shortcut for offset is O spacebar. Offset distance 2 feet 4 inches. Offset that there. Right click, and we can come over here, select this door here, and copy it. C-O spacebar. We just copy it on down here, and then now we just play and rotate it, R-O spacebar. Come right here, and we make sure that, or prior to doing this, I have my polar settings right here set at a 45, so I know that I'm straight. I select it. Now whenever I select it, since it's a block, the grip, my base point, that's what I have it set at. So if I left click it at one time, the whole thing moves. And then I just put it right there. And that one's right. To trim it, we can draw some lines and trim our pieces out. Or we can just select the whole entire block. Let me back up. TR spacebar, and then I want to use that. I need that line, that one, this one, and this one. Then I'm going to left click, and then I'm going to left click on the lines that I don't want. And then right click, enter. We have a door in right there. Now I'm going to do this interior door, which is right here, which from the looks of it seems to be 5 feet off of this exterior face. So this line here, this far outside one right here, offset that 5 feet, left click on it, and I'm going to go towards the right side of it, right click, and enter to get out of the command. I'm going to put a block in. I'm going to put that interior door block in, B-L-O-C-K. We're looking for our interior door, which is right there. And I'm going through this long process of doing the interior door because this is the first interior door block that I put in this drawing. Okay. The existing has not been modified. Close. insert block. There we go. And there's our insertion. TR spacebar, since we need to trim. And then we have that there. Now that door's in. Now I'm going to go for this window right here, if I can find the neck, which is 6'7", from right here to the center. So I'm going to offset this short line right here. I'm going to offset that one 6'7". Right click and enter to get out of the command. And then we're going to take this window here, copy it, CO spacebar, and then just copy it on down here. And I'm just going to rotate this, RO spacebar. Really doesn't matter where your base point is, because we're going to move it anyways. And then just keep rotating it until we have it the way that we want it, and left click. Then we're going to select the window block again, right here at our grip, because that's the base point for our block. And then right here at the intersection, that's where we put it. Then hit escape. We're going to trim TR spacebar. We're going to select that line there and that line there. And then we're going to right click because we're done selecting our lines. And then we're going to get rid of what we don't need. So we left click on that one. Right click and enter to get out of the command. Now we're going to come over here, we're going to put this window in here. We're just going to offset this line right here, 6 feet, like it says right there. O, spacebar, 6 feet, enter. Object to offset this line right here. Click to the left, and then we come over here, take our window here, CO spacebar, and then we have it right here at the intersection. TR spacebar, and we're just going to clean this up a little bit. There we go. Now we're going to put these in here. And this one here, the center of this one is 3'5" from the outside face of the stud wall here, and this one down here at the bottom is 3'3" from the outside stud face to the center of the window there. Just need to offset our lines. The top one was 3'5". And then this one down here was 3'3". Right click and enter to get out of the command. Okay. Just grab one of these windows. It doesn't really have to just one of them because they're all the same. I'm going to copy it. Bring it up somewhere. Select it. RO spacebar for rotate. Rotate that up like that. select it. And then place that one there. We're going to copy this one. The one up top. Alright, now I need to trim this up. I need to clean up the drawing a little bit and we'll be done. Right now all I'm doing is just trimming this. Select this one. And left click on that one. And then right click. And then left click on the line right there. And then it's all cleaned up. You go over here and check. Now we have all of our, oh no we don't, we missed one. This one right here. Just gonna, there's no dimension for that one. So what I'm gonna do in that case, I'm just gonna draw a line, L spacebar. Just gonna draw a line from the center of this door right here. And I'm just gonna come straight across like this. And then I'm gonna take this door here, CO spacebar. I'm just gonna copy it on over here like this. I'm gonna take this, rotate it, RO spacebar. Rotate it the way I need it, or the way I want it. And then come right there. And then trim out what doesn't need to be there. Now all I have to do is just get rid of all these lines that I've used to do all this placement.